Cancer is in my family, both sides, mom and dad, but I never thought that it would affect me. Had I not done the cervical self-screening, I wouldn't have known. I maybe wouldn't have caught it in time, and history repeats. So I changed history. I let it not repeat. I did that. I did the self-screening. I stopped cancer. I saw the Cervix self-screening promotion of the pilot project on a social media website, and I thought, well, why not? Do it myself. It saves me from going to the doctor for these intimate, kind of awkward examinations. So I got the kit, and the instructions were super easy to follow. It was super easy to do, and I sent it back. My gynecologist called me to say that they wanted to book a colposcopy, which is getting a biopsy from your cervix. When we did the colposcopy, he wanted to proceed with the LEAP procedure, which is where they would remove the precancerous cells and of course do testing again. And the test came back that it was cancer, but that all the margins were clear, and then I was cancer-free. The fact that my daughter can now do the cervical self-testing on her own really eliminates the barriers that affected me and so many other women of going to the doctor and feeling uncomfortable. I would say to other women, don't be afraid. Send for the test. It's just so easy to do and so worth the results, because either it comes back and you're fine, or it comes back where you need to speak to the doctor and have the follow-up of having the procedures done. That's fine, but at least you know that you're taking your own action towards your own health and well-being.